Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm excited to share with you one of my favorite dishes, chicken jalfrezi. So, let's get started. Boneless chicken 500 grams. Oil 1 tablespoon. Bell peppers yellow. Bell pepper red. Bell pepper green. Fry for 2 minutes. Add some onions. Don't forget to hit the like button and share your own jalfrezi creations with me in the comments below. Add oil 2 tablespoons. Ginger garlic 1 tablespoon. Fry for 2 minutes. Now add your boneless chicken in this. Fry chicken for 2 minutes on medium to high flame. Fry the chicken perfectly. Add soya sauce 1 teaspoon. Red chili 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1½ teaspoon. Coriander 1 teaspoon. Black pepper 1½ teaspoon. Turmeric 1¼ teaspoon. Mix the chicken perfectly. Add salt as you required. Tomato ketchup 1¼ cup. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. Add some tomato. Red chili sauce 2 teaspoon. Add the red, green, and yellow chili that I cut on the start. Mix the chicken very well on light flame. And that's it! Our delicious chicken jalfrezi is ready! I hope you enjoyed this recipe video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.